start the fire for the briquettes, we like to put a little bit of vegetable oil onto a paper towel because then it burns slower, more like a candle. Bring it to your fire pit. And the briquette should be done shortly. Then we'll put the briquettes out. So we're only going to use a couple briquettes per fry packet. Okay, it's been 15 minutes, so we're going to check the fries, see how they're doing. So they're still cold, but they're not frozen. So I would put them back in another 15 minutes.
Cakey time?
Yeah, I'm going to add a few more briquettes. Okay, now that they're cooked, we're going to sprinkle some cheese on them and then put them back in for like 3 or 4 minutes. What we like to dip our fries in is called fry sauce. If you don't know what fry sauce is, you don't know what you're missing. It is not what they have in the bottle called mayo chup. That's just gross. But basically, it's part mayonnaise and either part ketchup or part barbecue sauce. I think I'm gonna go part ketchup today since it's so late at night and I don't want heartburn. So you mix in your ketchup. The barbecue sauce just makes it a little bit spicier. Like I said, if you've never had fry sauce, you don't know what you're missing. So make it today. Let's go check those fries. There we go. These would be really good served with chili or with bits of bacon on it to have bacon chili cheese fries, but we're just having cheese fries. This part right here is the best part. Try the fry sauce. One of our most favorite, most loved family camping meals is pizza. My Dutch oven is already really well seasoned, but for this pizza, I'm just going to pour a little bit of vegetable oil onto a paper towel and lightly go around the sides and the bottom of the Dutch oven. This will just prevent the pizza dough from sticking. Spread out the dough until it covers the bottom of your Dutch oven. Then I'm going to add sauce, cheese, pepperoni, and we're going to put olives on this one. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. Ooh, it's getting close. So it looks like the bottom was getting close to being done. So we've taken the coals out from underneath the bottom and put them on top. Taste test. Ooh, yeah, that bottom looks good.
Wow, Mom. Oh, yeah.
Another family favorite are chicken rice bowls. I will link my teriyaki chicken recipe up in the upper corner. I marinate and prepare the chicken and vegetables at home. We cook the chicken and veggies on the camp shaft, and then I just cook the rice on our stovetop and we mix it all together in a bowl. For Navajo tacos, I start by heating up some vegetable oil in my ceramic Dutch oven. I can tell the oil is hot and ready by inserting the handle of a wooden spoon into the oil. If the oil bubbles around the wooden handle, then it's ready. I'm using the thawed Rhodes rolls to make into scones, but you can also make these from scratch. I will link my bread recipe in the upper corner. To use that recipe to make the scones, I just use less wheat flour and more white flour. Then take about a fist-sized piece of dough, flatten it out, and then carefully place it into the hot oil. When the first side is golden, flip it over and cook until that side is golden, then remove it from the oil. I like to set those onto a plate lined with a paper towel to soak up any excess oil. I'm cooking the scones. I also warm up some chili. Today I'm just using some canned chili, but you can certainly make your own homemade. Then we top all that with lettuce, tomato, cheese, and sometimes even some salsa. Our favorite dessert to have with Navajo tacos are to take those same scones, and while those scones are still nice and warm, spread a thin layer of honey butter over them. To make the honey butter, I start by softening some butter in the microwave. Then I add a few tablespoons of honey and a big spoonful and a half of marshmallow cream. Whip that all together until it's nice and fluffy, and then it's all set. This is also super yummy with a teaspoon or so of cinnamon mixed in. I hope you enjoyed these meals. In the comment section, let us know your favorite camping meal. As always, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.